Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on your proxy on your Telegram app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do is you just go up here, you click here in the sign here in app, then it's going to show for you list like this, and all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here in this list, then you just go down here. So then you click here on data and storage, then you go down here, so and you come here to sorry, so you just click here on proxy settings here on proxy, click here on proxy settings, then it's going to take you here in this list, you come here to use proxy, so just click here in this sign. So in here can you add your proxy details here, or proxy details, have server or username, password. So and you click here in this sign, then it's going to add with you on your Telegram app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.